In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete template in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your DNS templates and how to safely remove one you no longer need. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy and click the official GoDaddy website. Make sure you're on the genuine site before you sign in. Once you're there, log into your account using your usual credentials. After you're signed in, look to the top right of the page for your account name. Click it to open the account menu. That's where you'll find the options we need. From that account menu, choose My Products. This takes you to your product dashboard, which lists all the domains and services in your account. Find the domain you want to work on. Take a quick moment to double-check you've picked the correct domain, especially if you manage multiple ones. With the right domain selected, click DNS. This opens the DNS management area for that domain. Here is where your DNS records live, but we're going to a specific section just for templates. On the left side panel, click Settings. If your window is narrow, you might need to expand the sidebar to see it clearly. Inside Settings, look for DNS templates and click it. DNS templates are saved bundles of DNS records you can apply to domains, which makes setup faster. If you've created templates in the past that you no longer use, this is where they're stored. Find the template you want to remove. When you hover over or view the template line, you'll see a trash bin icon. Click the trash bin icon to begin the removal. Before you do, make sure you've selected the right template. A quick tip: if a template might be useful later, consider renaming it first or taking a screenshot of its records for reference. Deleting a template won't undo any DNS records already applied to a domain in the past, but it will remove the saved template from this list. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete to confirm. Once you confirm, the template is permanently removed from your account's template library. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page to update the list. That's it. You navigated to your account, opened My Products, selected the domain, went into DNS, opened Settings, accessed DNS templates, clicked the trash bin icon, and confirmed Delete. If you don't see DNS templates, you may be in a different view or lack permissions for that account. In that case, switch to the correct account or contact GoDaddy support for help. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to clean up old DNS templates.